Namaskar friends, I am Dr. Manoj Joshi, and in this part I am going to discuss classes of criminal courts which are provided under section 6 of the Criminal Procedure Code. According to section 6, besides the high courts and the courts constituted under any law other than this code, there shall be in every state the following categories of courts, and these are the four categories of courts, criminal courts, which are provided under section 6. Number 1, sessions courts, and sessions courts includes additional sessions courts and assistant sessions courts. Thereafter comes judicial magistrates of the first class, and at number 3, judicial magistrates of the second class, and lastly, or the fourth category, is the executive magistrate. So these are the hierarchy of criminal courts in every state of India as per section 6. And as you know friends, that in every state there is a high court which is the top court of that state. Now what are the functions or what are the powers of these four categories of courts? Section 28 and section 29 deal with the powers of these courts. As per section 28, sentences which high courts and the sessions courts may pass. So first of all, I am talking about the powers of high courts as to what sentence can be passed by the high court of a state. So it says that high court may pass any sentence authorized by law. Now, the sessions courts, which includes additional sessions courts or session judges or additional sessions judges, the sentences which they may pass any sentence authorized by law. But there is an exception as far as sessions judges are concerned or the court of sessions are concerned. They can pass a sentence of death also, provided that this sentence of death shall be confirmed by the high court concerned. And suppose a sessions judge or additional sessions judge passes his death sentence, in that case, that death sentence shall be submitted to the High Court for confirmation under section 366 of the Criminal Procedure Code. So unless or until the death sentence is confirmed by the High Court, it will not be executed. Now, assistant sessions judges, because sessions judges, the court of sessions judges also includes this category of assistant sessions judges. So according to section 28, assistant sessions judge may pass any sentence authorized by law except an offense of death, a sentence of death, or a sentence of imprisonment for life, or a sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding 10 years. It means that assistant sessions judge may pass a sentence or a maximum sentence of up to 10 years. Now, as far as fines are concerned, sessions judges, additional sessions judges, and assistant sessions judges may impose any fine which they think fit and proper in the facts and circumstances of the case. Now, friends, Section 29 provides for sentences which magistrate may pass. So there are, as you have understood, there are three categories of magistrates. At the top is Chief Judicial Magistrate, thereafter Judicial Magistrate of the first class, and the Judicial Magistrate of the second class. So as far as Chief Judicial Magistrate is concerned, according to Section 29, a Chief Judicial Magistrate, which also includes a Chief Metropolitan Magistrate in metropolitan areas, may pass a sentence up to 7 years, a maximum sentence of imprisonment up to 7 years, not exceeding 7 years. So a Chief Judicial Magistrate is empowered to pass a sentence of imprisonment up to 7 years. And any fine can be imposed by Chief Judicial Magistrate if he thinks fit and proper in the facts and circumstances of the case. Thereafter, judicial magistrates of the first class are empowered to pass a sentence up to 3 years. So we can say that a judicial magistrate of the first class can pass a maximum sentence of imprisonment up to 3 years, not exceeding 3 years. And the judicial magistrate of the first class may also impose a fine up to rupees 10,000, not exceeding rupees 10,000. Now, friends, judicial magistrates of the second class may pass a maximum sentence of imprisonment up to 1 year only, not exceeding 1 year. And judicial magistrate of the second class may also impose a fine, a maximum fine up to rupees 5,000 only, not exceeding 5,000. Now, friends, you can ask that what about the Supreme Court of India? Why did you not mention about the Supreme Court of India? So let me tell you, friends, that Supreme Court of India is the top court of the country. The main or the primary functions of the Supreme Court of India are first to interpret statutes, to interpret laws. So we can say that the first important function of the Supreme Court of India is the interpretation of laws. The second most important function of the Supreme Court of India is the protection of fundamental rights, to protect fundamental rights of the citizens of India. So these are the two very important functions of the Supreme Court of India. So this was this part, and I'm confident you like this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel and share this video. Till then, thank you very much.